Ever caught your dog suddenly dropping their front legs, sticking their butt in the air, and wiggling like they're about to launch into space? That's called the play bow. It's not a secret dog yoga pose. It's actually their way of saying, "Let's play," or "Prepare for maximum silliness." Sometimes, cats try to copy it and end up looking confused. Dogs use this move to show they're just joking around, not starting a wrestling match. Next time you see it, get ready for zoomies. Follow for more fluff and facts.